everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 4114. This is an incredible property located in Sonoma Ranch. The home sits on this great corner lot. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus an office. Has 2231 square feet. The home has been super well maintained. Come on in, let's take a look around. Guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 4114 Pepper Post Avenue. Amazing home. You got this east-facing backyard, nice big patio. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus an office, 2231 square feet. Does have a water softener. The AC's been replaced. Water heater's been replaced in 2019. Give me a call, Ron Bruder. 575-312-7330 or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandloscruces.com. Thanks. Have a great day.